garlic confit, right? A garlic confit. Well, oh, I can pull them out? Okay.
Look good and look good.
Every so often, I like to test my culinary ability to make it happen. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do right quick.
So you already know the audio went off because we getting down to business. 400 degrees, preheat. You're gonna find the best and prettiest garlic bulb. You do not want any blackness at the bottom of your bulb or any foaminess or powder. It's not gonna work for you, honey. Only quality. I end up picking the second one, the one that's in my left hand, and I don't have a cutting board because I just chopped the bottom off. Please note that everything was clean. We don't play that around here. You can use the bottom of the garlic that we just chopped off, the smaller piece, for some stock, but the top piece, honey, we're using for that confit. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and get that olive oil, Queemie drip, which is my own personal seasoning. This is the beta bag right here, and then we're gonna pull out some aluminum fuzz oil. Okay, just a couple pieces so we can make sure we get a little great seal on that garlic. Okay, now as you can see, you see me getting it all proper and nice. What I'm gonna do is get another piece of aluminum foil as promised to you just a moment ago. Okay, so after that, we're going to just fold them into very cute rectangles, right? Center it, add your olive oil, okay? Drizzle. That was a nice amount, trust me. And you're going to add all that seasoning. It might seem like a little, but we're going to add a lot because we want that flavor to come across. Some people add salt and pepper to it. I use my own Queemie drip, okay? Now, once you have it all up in that aluminum foil, ladies and gentlemen, put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 400. Okay? You're going to unwrap it, and what's the smell that releases from that aluminum foil? It's going to be something very close to godliness. Now, you see me licking the oil and the little pieces of garlic off my hand already because I am definitely about that life of flavor. Garlic confit is very nutty and savory, gives you all of that garlic aesthetic without that horrible breath, okay? And you can put it on bread, toast, soup, freaking rice, seafood, anything that is spreadable, okay? Or stirrable, mashable. You saw me put it in greens.
I'm kind of mix that in because I'm fancy, huh? It's supposed to be all like, yeah, it's mashing up in there. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, then get some greens and we get some of this turkey booty, right? That's that turkey booty right there. Put that right on there. You're gonna get that pot liquor, right? And you're gonna bring the greens on top. Get a lot of that pot liquor. Okay. You won't regret it. You know it's good when you gotta close your eyes.